A very good o'clock to all the students. Here I am Amisha ma'am, your English grammar teacher. Students, today I am here to start our chapter number 5, which is nouns, singular and plural. In our previous video, I have discussed about nouns and its classification. Hope you have understood the video if you have seen it. Now, just because starting about singular and plural, we must know that a noun which stands for one person, for one place, for one animal or one thing is said to be singular. How? If you could see in my video, this pencil, it is one pencil na, so this is a singular noun. Why it is a noun? Since it is a name, it is a thing, pencil is a thing, so it is a noun, and it is one only here, so it is a singular noun. Also, if you are saying a boy, if I am saying a boy, here a which I am adding before the word boy, which is a noun, that a tends that the noun is singular. Okay, a village, a cat, a girl, etc. And the nouns which stands for more than one person, place, animal or thing is said to be, students, plural nouns. Okay, or plural in number, like boys, girls, villages, pencils. Okay, now how to form this plural noun? There are certain rules regarding the formation of plurals. First rule is, in most cases we form the plural by adding s to the singular noun. If we have a singular noun, like here it is written chair, okay, it is singular form, we simply put s in the last to form its plural, that is chairs. Okay, pencil, pencils. Second rule states that we have to add es to the noun which ends with s, double s, ch, sh or x. Okay, those nouns which are ending with s, double s, ch, sh or x, we add es to them and make its plural. Like guess. In guess word, you could see last is s, it is ending with the letter s. What I have to do to make its plural? I have to add es to it in the last to form its plural, and it becomes guesses. Okay. Similarly, class. Class is a word which is ending with double s. Just while what we have to do now, we have to make plural of it by adding es to it. Now moving to the third rule, which is by adding s to the singular when a noun ending in y has a vowel before it. If a noun is there which is having y, has a y ending to it, okay, what we have to do? After that y, we have to put s just, like essay, ESSAY, it is ending with y letter. In the last, what we have to do to make its plural? We have to add s in the last, essays. Play, plays. Day, days. Now, by changing y into I and adding es to it, there are few nouns which are ending with y, but they have what they are having, they having before y, you could see the consonant letter, like story. In story, story, y is ending it, but before y, you could look that r is coming, and r is a consonant, it is not a vowel. So whenever a noun is ending with y and preceding with the letter consonant, what you have to do? You have to form its plural by removing that y. We are removing this y or replacing this y by adding ies to it. Okay, so it becomes story, becomes stories, study becomes studies. Now let's move further, students. Just look to the fifth rule. It is by adding es to the nouns ending in o. If a noun is ending in o, like buffalo, hero, what you are doing? You are adding es in the last, that is buffaloes and heroes, to make its plural. Okay, but there are some exceptions, like photo. Photo is a noun which is ending with o letter. We can't add es to it to make it plural. We only add s. Photos, photos, not es. Okay, like bamboo. Bamboos, when we are forming its plural, we are only adding s to it, not es to it. Similarly, piano, we are only adding s to it, not es. Now students, there is also the sixth rule, that is by changing f or fe into v and adding es or s. If there is a noun which is ending with fe or f, what we are doing? We are replacing this fe and f by v and adding es to it to make its plural, like wife, wife, it is ending with fe. So what I have to do? I have to replace this fe with the letter v and adding es to it to make its plural, that is wives. Okay, scarf, scarves, thief, thieves, knife, knives. Okay. Seventh rule states that by changing the internal vowels means what? The vowels which comes in the mid of the word. Okay. Foot, F double O T. Here double O is our vowel and it is coming in the mid of F and T. What we are going to do? We are going to make its plural by changing its word to feet. Foot changes to feet. M-A-N, man. Man is a singular noun, but changing its plural, what we have to do? We have to replace A in the mid and add E in the mid. That is M-E-N, men. We pronounce it as men. Okay. Similarly, woman. Woman is a singular noun, but plural we pronounce it as women. W-O-M-E-N is women. Okay. Now by adding en to the singular noun. If there is a singular noun ox, what we are going to do? We are going to make its plural by adding es, oxen, child, children. Okay. There are some compound nouns, and by changing the primary word, what we are doing? We are changing that primary word into its plural, like commander in chief. We are going to take this commander word and changing it in plural, that is commanders in chief. Okay. Similarly, brother-in-law. Here what we are going to do? We are taking that primary word, main word, that is brother, and changing it into plural, that is brothers-in-law. Okay. Now let's talk about, students, the 10th rule, which is the following compound have plurals by adding s to the last part. See, there are again some compound nouns which are being formed as a plural by adding s. Stepson is there. I have to form its plural by adding s in the last word. That is, I am going to add s in son. It becomes stepsons. Now, similarly, stepmother, stepmothers is a plural form of it. Some nouns do not change in their form, like sheep. Sheep becomes sheep. Aircraft is singular also aircraft and plural also aircraft. No changes will be there. Fruit, in singular also it is fruit, in plural also it is fruit. We can't say fruits. Okay, do remember that. Luggage, luggage in singular also luggage, in plural also luggage. We can't say luggages. Okay. Similarly, furniture, in singular also it is furniture, in plural also it is furniture. We can't say furnitures. Hope so you are understanding, students. Also note that we may use the word fishes and fruits when we speak about different type of fishes and fruits. Okay, do remember that. What is being mentioned here is, see, we have heard a word fish and we have heard fishes also. Now could you ask, ma'am, what is the basic difference between that? Is fishes a plural of fish? No, it is not a plural. When I am saying fish, it is for the singular and the plural as well. But when I am saying fishes, it is not for the plural. It is, I am describing the variety of fishes. Okay. Similarly, for fruit and fruits, you can't say fruits, ma'am, is a plural of fruit. No, it is not the plural. Fruit word you are using for singular as well and for plural as well. But fruits is the variety or different types of fruits like apple, mango, banana, grapes. If I am taking all these fruit in a particular singular form, in a whole, considering, so here I am going to use the word fruits. Okay, not fruit. Hope so it is clear to you. Now just try to solve this A exercise by yourself. Okay, and I'm going to make video further for you. Thank you, students.